How to pay with PayPal in Etsy. Now in order to pay with PayPal in Etsy, you just simply need to open your Etsy app and select the product which you would like to buy in very first. Just simply select any of this product. For example, let's select this book shelf. After selecting the product, select the customizations if that is available. For example, we can select the color for the bookshelf from here, and I can select the sits in the bookshelf. Just simply select any of the options that you want and most suitable for you and tap to buy it now. From this checkout page, first of all you need to fill out all of the information that is required, such as country, full name, street address, flat or the city, country, postcode and phone number. And after setting up all that, tap to continue to payment. And once you tap to continue to payment, you will be in the payment section. You just simply need to select PayPal from here and you can very easily pay with PayPal after providing the PayPal credentials. I hope this video have been informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.